Let's start the tutorial. Press Command plus space to open Spotlight Search and search Safari. Then search Chrome. This is the Chrome official page. It is for macOS 12 or later. Simply click the download button. And wait some time for complete the downloading process. As you can see, this is the 3-step process to install Chrome on your Mac. Step 1. Complete the downloading process. Step 2. Just drag and drop Chrome to the application folder. Step 3. Open the Launchpad, type Chrome and launch the app. Don't worry, I will show you practically. Download is completed. Now just tap on it. Now here is open new window. Just drag and drop and wait some time. Now just open Launchpad and here is your Chrome browser.